So we have two activities that you were doing today, both of which have to do with the phylum Echinodermata, which are organisms like starfish and sea slugs. So what we are going to do first is complete our set of notes, and then we are going to complete a virtual starfish dissection. We do not have starfish as organisms to dissect in class, so we will be completing this one virtually. So what you will do is you'll start out going onto Canvas, scrolling down to the Unit 6 button, clicking on that button. It will take you to the Marine Invertebrates page, where you will scroll down and click on the Unit 6 button tab for the notes. That will take you to a Google folder. You need to open up that Google folder, and you need to click on the assignment or on the document that has the Google Slides and that has all the SpongeBob characters. Once you have done that, the Echinoderm notes actually start on page 204 of that notes set. So you'll start with the lovely Patrick slide, and then you'll kind of walk through your notes from there. The highlighted portions are what you are completing in the fill in the blanks. There are videos embedded in this section due to a lack of time and due to me unfortunately not being able to be in class today, that we will not have the opportunity to watch the videos in class, but feel free to view these on your own. You can plug in your headphones, you can watch them without sound. It's up to you whether you would like to dive a little bit more, no pun intended, into the phylum Echinoderms. Once you have completed your notes, you will head back to the Canvas page. If you scroll down kind of towards the bottom of the set of buttons, there is a green button with Dexter from Dexter's Lab on here. If you will click on that Lab Dissections button, this is where we can find all of our dissections. So if you have not completed one of the other ones, this is an awesome opportunity to do that as well. So we have done the clam, we've done the squid, and then the starfish dissection. So you need to view the video with the sound on. It does not have subtitles on it, and it will not do you any good to be able to watch it without any sound. You need to use your website, use the website that we have here, your textbook. You can use the internet to help you as well to complete the dissection lab sheet and actually label your diagrams. Just a reminder that all dissections have to be answered in complete sentences. If you do run out of room on those notebook pages, the two that are allotted for this, feel free to attach in a separate sheet of notebook paper and tape it onto those pages. I will grade anything that is on those pages, so make sure that you are completing that. So the video is here. It's going to walk you through the Sea Star Dissection Lab, and then the lab itself can be found by clicking on that link. So it's going to kind of walk you through the dissection process. You do need to make sure that you are answering the pre-lab questions as well. So the pre-lab questions are in a link. You need to click there and answer those pre-lab questions before you start working on any of the post-lab or analysis questions along with the diagrams. So the questions here, make sure that you are answering these in complete sentences. For number 4, you can just list out. You do not have to write number 4 in a complete sentence. You just need to be able to tell me which surface these different features are found on, so whether it be dorsal or ventral sides. There are 12 questions on the analysis, so it should not take a ton of space, but you do need to make sure that you are completing the diagrams as well.